14 januari staan ze samen op het podium van het Sportpaleis in Antwerpen. Maar bij ons geven deze Soul Divas nu al een demonstratie. Hier zijn Natalia en Anastasia. Hi Anastasia.
Hi.
Dag Natalia.
Hallo.
Natalia, we zullen het gesprek in het Engels doen en dan kan Anastasia ook volgen.
Yeah.
Now, you're gonna play 5 shows in
Yeah,
Antwerp.
maybe more.
Natalia.
Yeah, we're planning to do a little bit more, of course.
Yeah.
We would like to do a lot.
A lot.
Yeah.
You always been a big fan?
Yes, of course. When I was a student, there were some big parties from the school, and I always jumped on stage. And when it was I'm Out of Love,
I'm Out
she
of Love.
already knows that. She heard the story 500 times.
So boring.
Yeah.
It is.
Anastasia, how did she convince you to do the shows?
Big.
All right.
Not from me. I'm not giving her anything.
No, you know, I think that it was her management company called mine, and to be honest, I didn't really know of a lot of her music, and I went online and I looked at a lot of stuff.
Called your people.
Exactly, it's so cliche, but that's so true.
Yeah.
And when I saw her and saw her performances and listened to her voice, I just said, oh my God, I'd love to sing with her.
Right.
So knowing that it's all, I mean, totally, I said, oh my God, Becky, for real. She's so awesome.
Now, when the two of you finally met last spring, it was instant chemistry.
I don't know what they're getting on camera. As far as I'm concerned, this could be the ruining of our career right now. We could actually sell no tickets.
It seemed you had a lot of fun.
Yeah, we were so boring.
Yeah.
We had a great time.
Yeah, weren't you impressed by her height?
Yeah. You know, I think mainly my fans are going to be depressed that I'm so short.
Yeah.
You know, next to her, but you know, it makes up. I can sing loud and try to act like I'm as tall as her.
Right.
Very sensitive about that, by the way.
Okay. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. Did you get to know each other? Did you get to know each other better the last months?
Oh, absolutely. I think that this is a good, for me, I at least feel that meeting her is a friendship that you think you're going to have for a longer period of time than just working with the person. I really relate a lot to her and her love for the music, but also her love for her fans and her love for her family. There's a lot of common denominators in our connection.
Yeah.
So
I also think that these things that are happening right now, they happen for a reason. So I think I'm very blessed that I get the chance to meet her.
Yeah.
This is TV, you know.
Anastasia, sometimes Belgian journalists behave really badly. Let's look at some footage from the red carpet.
You can see in every picture and every video clip that you like to touch your breasts and your boobs.
Touch them?
Yeah. Is that because you're proud of them or even more proud
I
of
don't
them?
know. That question's a little strange to me. I don't know if I touch them, but I'm just as proud of my rear as I am my breast, as I am my hands and my feet. It's just that I think you guys look at my breast and
Yeah, girl. Don't someone flap. Can I sit on your lap and take it back? No.
No, definitely.
Oh,
It's not my thing.
That's a pity. No.
Eddie.
I tried.
No, I know, but that was a nice attempt.
Okay.
Oh, man,
I will touch your boobs. I promise.
I appreciate that. And you wouldn't probably survive if you did.
Now, did you feel like smacking him in the face?
no, it actually.
She solves it great, I think.
I have to. I don't even remember that, but to be honest with you, she's great. She did a good response. Me.
Yeah.
The person that I see.
Yeah. Have you ever attacked a journalist?
Attacked one? in my mind. In my mind, at certain times, they get a little crazy, don't you think?
Yeah, that sounds familiar. That sounds familiar.
You know what I'm saying?
Different profession, the same feeling.
Right.
Same feeling. Yeah. How about you, Ronnie?
Yeah, I had once a journalist who wrote something really bad about me, and I ignored him for, I don't know, 20 years, I believe.
Go ahead.
Yeah, he was air.
That's great. See, that's that. You know, you.
And you made up afterwards, or you're still ignoring him?
I made up.
She's married to him. We have a great relationship.
I made up last year, but it was difficult. But I said, okay, I'm above that now.
Okay.
I'm also taller
did
than
they
him.
rewrite it, like say they made a mistake to the public?
Yes, yes.
Oh, that's
They
good,
did?
girl.
Yes.
I like
Yeah.
her. We can
I can learn to sing, so we can.
Okay,
All
okay.
three of us, we can do a show.
All right, I can't do a show with you and you. I'm going to be like, it's going to be like an M.
Now, Natalia and Stacey, both of you are role models to your fans and very aware of it. Natalia, up till recently, you had braces, also during concerts and photo shoots. Was that a statement?
No, I just needed them. It was just something that I wanted for a long time because I thought my teeth weren't right. So and I thought, well, I have to do it right now, otherwise I'm just getting older.
Right.
And then I thought, well, I have a few shows and everything, but I just didn't think about it.
But a lot of kids were grateful for that.
Yeah, I've heard about it. A lot of adults too, I think.
Now, Anastasia, you had breast cancer in
Yes.
2003, and you were very open about it. Was that a hard decision to talk about?
No, it just sort of came hand in hand with what when you're given that kind of news, you then question living and dying and all of these things, and then go, is my purpose on earth, you know, is this it? And if this is it, this isn't enough.
Right.
So technically, if I was going to go, I wanted to go out screaming and kicking, and you know, and I'm still around screaming and kicking. So you know, I think that I didn't want cancer to win with me, you know, being quiet.
Yeah. And do you still get response of fans in similar
Oh,
situations?
absolutely, and I'm continuing to talk about, you know, raising awareness and realizing that our young women just need to be more aware that it's not just an older person's disease. So we are just to be more aware of it, not to be scared of it, but to be more aware of it.